Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your Kroger card to Apple Wallet. First, open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Next, tap the plus sign at the top right corner. From here, select debit or credit card. You won't see a list of stores, but you'll go directly to the screen that lets you add cards to Apple Pay. Since Kruger is a store card, you can still add it here and tap continue. Now your camera will open. You can scan your Kroger card or if you prefer, enter the card details manually. Enter your name and card number, then tap Next. After that, your Kroger card will be added to your Apple Wallet and you'll be able to use it directly from your phone when you shop at Kroger. And that's it. That's how to add your Kroger card to Apple Wallet. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.